Your lender doesn't want you to know this, but your interest rate is almost certainly negotiable, and most people just accept whatever number gets slid across the desk like it's carved in stone. We're talking about potentially tens of thousands of dollars over the life of a loan, quietly drained from your pocket because nobody taught you to push back. Here's what's actually happening under the hood. Lenders build margin into your rate, and that margin is their cushion, their negotiating room, their profit buffer. Think of it like a car dealership sticker price. Nobody who knows better pays the sticker price. The catalyst for most people finally negotiating is desperation or curiosity. And honestly, either one works. You either get hit with a rate that makes your stomach drop, or you stumble onto a form at midnight and realize your neighbor paid a full point less than you almost did. The first move is pulling your credit report before anyone else does, because your score is your leverage and you need to know the number before they do. If your score is above 740, you are sitting at a table with chips, use them. Once upon a time, the narrative was that rates were fixed, lenders were institutions, and you were just a borrower lucky to be approved at all. That optimism, or rather, that submission has faded as more borrowers woke up and realized lenders compete for your business the same way airlines compete for your seat. Now here's the psychological trick that trips people up. Walking into a negotiation feeling grateful instead of prepared. Experts like mortgage strategist Carolyn Warren have said for years that borrowers who shop at least 3 lenders save measurably more, not because the market changes, but because competition forces disclosure. Historically, rate negotiation spikes during periods of tightening credit, ironically, when borrowers feel the least empowered to ask. The irony is almost poetic. The moment everyone feels too scared to negotiate is precisely when lenders are most willing to deal. Here's the practical play-by-play. Get loan estimates from at least 3 lenders in writing on the same day for the same loan type. Then take the best offer to your preferred lender and say, simply, I have a competing offer at this rate. Can you beat it or match it? A common misconception is that asking for a better rate damages your relationship with the lender or flags you as a risky borrower. That is completely false. Lenders expect negotiation from informed buyers, and frankly, they respect it. The historical lesson here is simple. Every basis point matters over 30 years, and a quarter-point reduction on a $300,000 loan saves you over $15,000 across the life of that mortgage. Discipline in the research phase, not charm, not luck, is what produces that outcome. Position size matters in investing, and in real estate, it's your loan term and rate structure that function the same way, getting them wrong compounds quietly and painfully. Keep your emotion out of it, run the numbers cold, and never let urgency from a closing deadline push you into a rate you didn't fight for. At the end of the day, the borrowers who win aren't the ones with the best stories. They're the ones who showed up prepared, asked the question, and were willing to walk. Consistency in process, not conviction in any single lender, is what builds long-term wealth in real estate. And if this all sounds like a lot to navigate alone, that's exactly why we're here. Check out our links in the description below, where we can help you get started, whether you're looking into real estate investing, home contracting work, or finding the right lenders.